Controller drift can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can address it effectively. Follow this guide to set up your CS2 controller and minimize drift issues. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your gaming device and check for any available updates in the settings menu. Updating the firmware can resolve many performance issues. Step 2. Clean the analog sticks. Dirt and debris can cause drift. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the base of the analog sticks. Make sure to remove any buildup that may interfere with their movement. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. Access the controller settings in your game or system. Look for the option to adjust dead zones for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent unintended movements caused by drift. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrating your controller can help reset its sensitivity and responsiveness. Follow the instructions provided by your gaming system to recalibrate the controller, ensuring it accurately registers input. Step 5. Test and monitor. After making adjustments, test your controller in a game to see if the drift issue persists. Monitor its performance over time and repeat the cleaning and calibration steps as needed to maintain optimal functionality. By following these steps, you can effectively set up your CS2 controller and reduce drift issues, enhancing your gaming experience.